Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for a pest-free garden. Today we're talking about the best plants to grow to deter those pesky critters that can wreak havoc on your beautiful outdoor space. You know, one of the most effective ways to keep pests at bay is by using Mother Nature's own defense mechanisms. Certain plants have natural properties that repel or even kill common garden pests like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. By incorporating these plants into your garden design, you can create a balanced ecosystem that discourages unwanted visitors. Let's start with some of the most potent pest deterrents out there. Basil, for instance, is a popular herb that not only adds flavor to your cooking, but also repels aphids and spider mites. Planting basil alongside your roses or vegetables will keep these pesky critters away. Another winner is mint. Its strong scent can deter ants, aphids, and even rodents. Just be sure to contain it, as mint can spread quickly. Other plants that make great natural pest control agents include lemongrass, citronella, and lavender. These fragrant herbs have oils that repel mosquitoes, flies, and other biting insects. Marigolds are another excellent choice. Their bright orange and yellow flowers repel nematodes, whiteflies, and aphids. But what about those pesky slugs and snails? Well, plants like chives, garlic, and hot peppers can help keep them at bay. These plants contain compounds that deter slugs and snails from crossing into your garden beds. And if you're looking to attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, consider planting dill or fennel. These plants are magnets for these helpful critters. Incorporating pest deterrent plants into your garden design is a simple yet effective way to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Not only will you reduce the need for chemical pesticides, but you'll also attract beneficial insects and pollinators that can help your garden thrive. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural pest control and gardening tricks. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite pest deterrent plants in the comments below. Happy planting, everyone!